Hey y'all, come on in. Today I'm making some butternut squash soup for a dear friend whose brother's in the hospital and not doing well, and I was trying to think, how could I show her that we care about her and we know that she's going through a hard time? Thought maybe a text just didn't seem adequate enough. So then I remembered she loves butternut squash soup, and anytime that we're going through hard things, food is such an expression of love and care. So today, butternut squash soup for our friend. First, we're gonna start out by peeling our butternut squash. When my sister died, so many people brought us food. It filled the kitchen counters, the dining room table, the kitchen table. It was just overflowing, and I don't even know if we could remember all the people who brought us something, but it meant a lot to us that people were thinking of us, and that was one less thing we had to think about during a really hard season of our life. We're just gonna roast our butternut squash in larger pieces because it's gonna end up being blended in the food processor. All right, let's get some oregano for our butternut squash soup. We don't need much. We're gonna lay it on top. I've cut our onion into larger chunks. I'm just gonna lay them on top of our butternut squash. My chickens are going crazy out there. And you wonder if it's a hawk or something. All right, some garlic, big garlic cloves, and our oregano sprigs. Okay, making bone broth with our leftover turkey bones from Thanksgiving. The turkey bone broth is coming along well. Our broth is ready, so we're gonna strain out the bones and the skin and all the other things. I love this fine mesh strainer. I can set it on a pot. Try to do this. Our butternut squash roasted up so nicely. I'm gonna take our oregano off, give that to the chickens. And we're gonna start by putting some in our food processor. Okay, we're gonna add some broth. Time to puree. So that's a little bit thick of a consistency, so we will add broth until it's the consistency of the soup that we want. All right, the soup's ready and it's perfect. I love these containers to give food away in, because then I'm not giving away my nice glass Tupperware containers, but they're perfect. Let's see if I can do this without making a mess. I'm just gonna leave them a little note. We love you. Of course, the love is with a heart, not spelled out. Life is precious. We are thinking and praying for your family. Hearts everywhere.